guys, we're back here with another episode of Track It and Whack It, where I opine on cricket bats, cricket gear, cricket in general. Anyhow, whatever needs correction by a longtime baseball player, whatever in the cricket world needs doing, I'm here to do it. So today we're here with my first unboxing video. Just got 5 minutes ago a bat straight from Meta from some very good friends at SG Bats. I want to give a shout out to my pals Saurabh and Charu, who had assured me that of the Kachra that they had in back, they picked the best bat for me. No, it's going to be an awesome bat. They swore to God it's going to be a great bat, and I'm trusting them. So we got it here, and super excited. Everybody knows that SG is the largest manufacturer of bats in the world, and I think of cricket gear in the world, and certainly one of the best. And I played them, was fortunate to play with them in Meerut a couple of weeks back, and along with our team, the Delhi Expat Cricket Club, and we killed them. But we'll leave that aside. So here, let me get started on the unboxing. So DTDC, which is not paying for a shout out, sent today, just knocked the door, and here we go. We got our classic not destroyed box, which hopefully has protected the precious bat within. I hope nobody's thinking about the carbon footprint on these boxes, because hey, sorry for that pause. I was trying to get I was hooked up with a match in Calcutta, but the high court lawyers are just telling us no. I'm back for the unboxing. So we got a lovely box here, traditional Indian cardboard. Everybody will love the cardboard. Here we go. Came all the way from Meerut. Of course, I'm in Delhi, and that's not very far. So, but anyhow, anyone who's trying to come from Meerut knows how far from Delhi. So, I got my trusty friend Mike. He's going to help us with the unboxing here. And first, we're going to see if we got any documentation with this. My friends on the club think that I need an instruction manual for my bat. I have to figure out how to hit anything. So let's see if we got that here. Yeah, we got our nice shipping label. Don't look at the prices. Yeah, no prices here. Anyhow, it's always a good deal from SG. And it's not telling me how to get hits or how to deal with Yorkers on my leg side. So let's see, maybe inside they got something else. We're gonna try to slice this open and see what we got. Awesome boxing. So that's very practical. I think I'm gonna impale my hand on some of the staples we got here securing it. Okay, this is great. I think we're going to turn to assistance for the rest of it. Okay, children, don't try this at home. Yeah, forget it. Other than rip it. Okay, here we go. Great. And what we got today is one of SG's most popular bats, the classic Sunny Tonny. Comes with a lovely case and looks terrific from the outside. Very, very useful. SG has great quality here. And it's totally sealed. Wow. So a lot of people who review bats make a big deal about labels and things, which I frankly don't understand. But anyhow, SG has really great labels. They're 3D, reflective, but not too tawdry. And Moxie's here too to help with unboxing. She's inspecting it to see if anything's there. And let's see if we can get the wrapper off of this baby here. And let's see what we're dealing with. It's looking pretty good, I gotta say. Now, SG sends these out saying that they're pre-knocked and pre-covered. Of course, we all know by now that That's like saying I'll call you in the morning. It never happens. Not happen. And you can't blame anybody. I mean, really, people want it for convenience, but it's just not going to happen. And thank God they listened to me and they sent this completely uncovered, which I really, really like. So one of the things that's really apparent is we got a number of grains here that are pretty straight. And I requested a little bit of heartwood on the leading edge. I'm a lefty, although I never edge. And there, I got to say, not much, but there's a bit of a blush there. That's fine. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty good straight grains. Little bit of discoloration. And that's not something that troubles me in the slightest because Shahrukh assured me that he was going for paint. And, I really could care less what the bat looks like as long as it really pops. So we've got that. It looks very good. On the side, we've got the imprint, Sunny Tonny, which is pretty cool, I gotta say. And more tasteful than the Laver and Wood, which is a high-end custom New Zealand-based bat maker who's begun making bats in India as well. They've got a super tacky typeface and stuff on the side. This is very sleek, well imprinted too. This is going to last, which I like because we want to keep these bats for a while. Standard SG profile, mid to low profile, and very effective, consistent across the range. I tend to like a lower profile, but as the people at SG pointed out to me, all my damage is up. Not damage, but all the past hits are more mid profile than low. We've got a good bow, a nice, healthy, what we call subcontinental bow, which we just call bow because we're here in the subcontinent playing cricket in the subcontinent. So we just call this the bow. And, I don't know why you wouldn't want one. It's just cool to have it, and I hate those big flat face things. So, what do we got the toe? One of the things that impressed me about the Sunny Tonny was it has a good, healthy toe on that baby. It's, even if we got a mid to low profile, we have a solid, respectable toe, which means we're going to be able to dig out Yorkers with safety, and we're going to be able to play comfortably on the typical pitches that we get here in India, which are very low and sometimes very slow. So the finishing on the toe, maybe I wish it revealed the grains a little bit more because I can't really see what's going on there, but that's really a finishing issue. I don't think that's a substantive issue at all because we've got strong grains on both sides of the bat, so it's likely that they're running through. Now we have a control for this. When we played in Meerut, my good friend and colleague on the Delhi Expat Cricket Club, MS Tony, was not out the whole time, and out of respect, the SG guys gave him their own Sunny Tonny. Gave him his own Sunny Tonny, and I've started to prep that bat a little bit. I took the face tape off, I've oiled it up, I'm going to give it a whack and roll the edges and prepare it like you guys know I do. One thing I like a little bit more about his than mine is his edges are a little bit more round on the toe. And that's a great thing, and it makes me wonder if Shahrukh doesn't like me as much as I thought he did. But still, it's the same super chunky, super thick toe. It's really lovely. Really appreciate it a lot, and means this bat is going to last for you. About the same number of grains on MS Tony's as mine. Almost impossible to tell. They're both great looking bats. These are both very clean, lovely looking bats, classic profiles. And we'll see. So, that there. Let's give it a chance and see. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh God. to send some chocolates. Already, we got in the sweet spot, we got a nice fat sweet spot. And that goes, to about an inch to the toe, which is, what could you ask for? I mean, even here, we're toward the bottom of the sweet spot, it's still very nice. And just at the beginning of the sweet spot, it extends from here to here, and it is already fat. It's both long and it's both long. Oh, it's great. So let's see what MS Tony's does. Now, I've already marked Tony's, so if it's better, I'm not going to take it, so he should just chill. I've already marked it for... See, I got MS Tony's signature there, so everybody's a witness. I'm not going to swap out his bat. Not that I do that. It is cricket. So people do stuff with it. So, I'm not passing judgment. I'm just saying, thank you, Sheldon. Okay, great. So, the lovely bats, they're great here. Let's see how it compares. You know what my other bats look like. So this is a GM L525 Kahuna, or I'm sorry, not Kahuna, Kaha. Forget that, sorry about that. The 1 inch shorter, 1 inch longer handle for T20, which thanks to which I've stripped down from a GM labels, and this is a English made bat. Not one of the GMs cranked out locally, and it's really performed super well for me. So that's a short T20 specialist bat, and then you know what my favorite bat looks like? It's a retro M&H hybrid with an ultra low position. Let's take a look and see. Compare the middles on these two. Very different. Even though a couple of inches, can make a difference, but very different. But then look at the pattern. So if you look at the pattern, this is where the bulk of my shots are coming from. So and I've been happy with the results there. When I contact, it makes contact. But I'm super excited to give the Sunny Tonny a shot, because the sweet spot seems to be where I'm going as well. And come on, face it, I'm super excited to have a Desi bat from the leading bat maker in India and one of the leading bat makers in the world. And I'm grateful for the opportunity to be able to use this and hopefully make some runs. They've certainly set me up. So super excited to give this a try, give it a go. It's a classic shape, well suited for Indian conditions, beloved by tens of thousands of batsmen across not just the country, but across the world. And I want to thank my friends at SG for sending this across, Sharuk and Saurabh. Like everything, we don't take freebies except from Hell for Leather. Hell for Leather, if you're watching, feel free to send us anything. But everybody else, we pay for our stuff so that you know that our views are free and unbiased. So I'll give you an update after I've prepped the bat and given it a couple of innings and see how it goes. Until then, I want to thank everyone and look forward to speaking to you again. And remember, track it and whack it.